Hey everyone, welcome back to From Zero to Affiliate Hero 90 Days Journey. I'm Matt and today is day 70. We've got some exciting updates. Today is the last day promoting paid online writing jobs, and I've got great news. A new set just came in from our previous promotion. This is why consistency and follow up are so important in affiliate marketing. Plus, tomorrow we're starting with the Home Business Academy, and I'm really excited to dive into that. Let's get into today's update. Today is the final push for paid online writing jobs, so we're setting up one last email campaign to close it out strong. And just a reminder, tomorrow we'll be kicking off the promotion for Home Business Academy, a $25 funnel builder that's also an amazing affiliate offer. We're building some serious momentum here, so let's keep it going. First, let's take a look at the stats from yesterday's email campaign. Let's log into MLGS. Let's go to statistics. So the engagement has been solid with open and clicks continuing to come in. While no new sales from paid online writing jobs just yet, I'm confident that the follow-up emails will keep working to convert those leads. And as I mentioned earlier, we've had some new sale coming from our previous promotion. We can see it on ClickBank. Let's have a look at the report. So, write up review. So, this is why follow up emails and consistency are so critical in affiliate marketing. Even when we move on to a new offer, the work we've done before can continue to bring in results. Let's go ahead and set up final email for paid online writing jobs. This is our last chance to promote this offer, so we'll use another high performing email swipe provided by the offer. Okay, let's set up the email today. So let's go to affiliate page. Let's go to the email swipes. Now, fifth day promoting this. So let's copy the email number 5. Let's paste it in our document. Let's make all the necessary changes straight away. So, introduction. Let's go through the email quickly. Okay, that's fine. Sign the email. Now let's move on to our hop link. Let's change our ClickBank ID. And as always, I'm adding the TAD. For those of you who just started watching today, TID is a tracking ID to find out where the lead is coming from. Okay, we have that. Let's now encode it in ClickBank. Let's go to the affiliate link tools, encode tab, paste your link, and encode. Super. Now let's have a look again at the email. We have one spot where we can enter the hop link, so let's do that. Let's copy it again just to make sure that we're inserting the link. Highlight the text, right click, insert link, paste it and apply. That's perfect. So we have that ready. Now let's set it up in MLGS. So mailing system, select all the leads. Let's get the subject. Now the email body. Highlight the link so we can make it more prominent. Let's again have a look at the email itself. That's fine. Let's select the perfect timing and send an email. As always, wait for the timer. That's very important. Tomorrow, we're kicking off the promotion for Home Business Academy. HB is not only a powerful $25 funnel builder, but is also a fantastic affiliate offer that can generate commissions while helping you build a solid foundation for your business. I'm excited to show how we'll be setting up and promoting over the next few days. If you're ready to get started early, you can sign up using the link in the description below. The link is quickstart25.com. Don't forget, if you want to connect with others on the same journey, join our Affiliate Success Hub Facebook group. It's a great place to share tips, ask questions, and support each other along the way. The link is in the description, so come join us today. So that's it for the day 70. We're wrapping up paid online writing jobs today, and tomorrow we're diving into the Home Business Academy promotion. So be sure to tune into that for that. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. As always, all the important links are in the description below. Let's finish strong and keep the momentum going. I'll see you tomorrow for day 71.